Ala ng extension ng filing ni Statement of Contributions and Expenditures o SOSE, raring tinagal king barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan Elections 2023. Inipisyag na ning Assistant Regional Election Director na ning COMELEC Central Luzon ay Attorney Elmo Duque king interview na king CLTV 36 News. Ngayon Miyerkules November 29, ang deadline na ning filing na ning SOSE.
Today is the last day for the filing of Statement of Contribution and Expenses. So this is non-extendable period. With our interview sa ating mga field officials, tinitingnan natin yung kaganapan, mukhang the normal mindset ng mga tauhan na mga kapwa Pilipino natin, dinadagsa yung panghuling mga araw, yung maagang kapanahunan, hindi sila umaakto. Ngayon, pag late na, saka sila naghahabol. I think on November 10, cut-off na yata ng BIR, kaya may penalty na sila. So kanilang delayed na pagsasubmit ng kanilang mga statement of contribution and expenses. So ibang bagay yung sa BIR.
Agpangkang Duque, dapat nang luntoking SOSE ring egan-agan ng agasos na ning may itong kandidato, personal namang pera o donasyon.
All of these are part of what we call the concept of expense, in which case either that is contributed, donated, or that is his personal expense. No? Kailangan ma-reflect yan sa statement of contribution and expenses.
Samantala, exempted laking penalty rin kinandidato king barangay elections sa EMEG file SOSE, base na rin king Section 14 na ring Republic Act 7166 o an act providing for synchronized national and local elections and for electoral reforms authorizing appropriations therefore and for other purposes.
So marami siguro hindi nagfa-file ng kanilang statement of contribution and expenses. But kakailanganin po natin because it may be that the BIR may take a stronger stand against this. No? So yung penalty and fines and compromise penalty sa BIR, yun ang medyo mahirap na bagay.
Kaya bay Johnny Coronel, yakoy kaya kayong talasuy JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.